Tori, now you're gonna draw yourself? Draw Tori. Because you just drew Elisa, right? Okay. Draw Tori. Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
That's Josh.
Who is that?
Wonderful. That's Josh. Oh, that's not Josh. I forgot.
Who is it?
Who is it? Yes, it's Grandma.
It's Grandma?
Yeah.
Okay. That's Grandma?
Yeah.
That one right there? Is Grandma? Okay.
Her has tiny little hands.
Sure has tiny little hands?
Yeah.
Okay. Or are you going to draw Elisa now? Wait, you already drew Elisa. That's Elisa, right?
The big head girl is me.
Okay. Are you going to draw Tori now? Draw Tori.
I'm the wonderful, and I'm making me curly hair. And you.
Okay. Okay. Draw you. Let me see you.
And curly. That's you. Hey, this is Daddy, and I'm curling his hair.
That's Daddy now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And I'm making his hands, and wonderful is he.
He's wonderful?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Now who are you drawing?
me.
Now you're drawing you? You're drawing Tori?
Hey, I can make my tiny little feet.
What?
My
Show me.
tiny little feet.
You have tiny little feet? Okay, show me.
And I'm making Josh. A little it's Josh. And he's mad.
He's mad?
Yeah, with me.
He's mad at you?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I don't want to go at Lisa or anything.
Really? Hey, Lisa, why don't you bring me the remote?
And that's me.
That's you?
Yeah.
Thanks. You're awesome.
And Josh has tiny little feet.
Josh has tiny little feet too?
These, like my feet.
Like your feet?
Like my tiny little feet. Like these.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, okay, so you drew... Okay,
Look here.
did I turn it down too much? I'm sorry. So you drew Elisa and Dad and Josh. And who else? Who else did you draw? Who else did you draw?
Grandpa.
Oh, Grandma. That's right. That's right. You have Elisa and Grandma.
No,
and Dad.
that's Abby.
Oh, that's Evie?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, are you going to draw Tootie?
That's Tootie.
Oh, that's Tootie?
Josh.
Oh, and that's Josh over there. Oh.
Yeah.
What about me? Are you going to draw me?
Yeah.
Okay, draw me.
This is Abby the biggest.
Okay.
And what do you ask for?
Draw me.
Okay. Hey, I didn't make you.
You didn't make me? Who'd you make?
It was the happy is Josh.
It's Josh?
This is Josh.
Again? You drew Josh again?
Yes.
Oh. Well, draw me. Let me see me.
Click him. And then I clicked again. Hey, I did make you again.
You didn't make me?
Again. It's a
Who is-
lemonade.
Who is it this time?
Lemonade happy. I make the feet. And I draw the letters. I draw hands. Then I draw another hand. And then I draw beautiful hair. Hey, not a beautiful hair on him.
You shouldn't draw beautiful hair on Josh?
And he didn't get hands or either.
He doesn't have hands either?
These are really big. Oh, this is a little tiny one.
Tootie, you still didn't draw me. Hey, you still didn't draw me. You gonna draw me?
Hey, did draw you again. Who is it?
Who is it?
It's Elisa. Hey, it's Elisa again.
It's Elisa again?
Yeah.
Why is it Elisa? You don't know?
That's why I draw Elisa. And her one.
Tootie, is Elisa your friend? Tootie, is Elisa your friend?
Yeah.
She is?
Yeah.
You love her?
And I'm drawing.
Now who are you drawing?
It's the workers.
Who?
Like workers.
What?
I draw eyes. And then I draw a mouth. And then feet. And then I draw hair. Another Josh. Hey. Perfect. Now there's. And now who is it?
Who is it?
It's Who is it? I don't know. Just who is it? Oh, I need to get the workers. And then I draw the feet. I forgot. They're the hands.
Hey Tootie, I'm going to stop recording the video so that I can take pictures of you because you're being so sweet. I can't stand it. Can you say bye to the camera?
No.
Look at me. Hey, look at me.
I'm just drawing happies. And I don't want to go to sleep.
You don't want to go to bed?
No.
Well, can you just say bye to the camera so I can take pictures of you? Hey.
Like all the
Tootie?
pictures.
Tootie.
Like, can you show me how I can make it on? Hey!
Tootie, say bye. Just bye to the camera. Just say bye to the camera. You don't have to go to bed. Just say bye to the camera. Hey, wait.
I want to see the picture.
You want to see the pictures?
Yeah.